street brawler had emerged in 1968 when Dodge introduced the Dart GTS, a compact muscle car that had packed a serious punch, designed to be lightweight yet brutally powerful. This machine had quickly earned a reputation for dominating both the streets and the drag strips. Unlike its larger muscle car siblings, the Dart GTS had combined agility with high-performance V8 power, proving that great things had come in small, aggressive packages. The 1968 Dodge Dart GTS had arrived as the high-performance variant of the Dart lineup, featuring an aggressive stance, bold badging, and a selection of potent engines. Standard under the hood had been a 340 cubic inch V8, producing a strong 275 horsepower. But for those who had craved even more power, Dodge had offered the legendary 383 cubic inch big block, pushing out 300 horsepower, paired with either a 4-speed manual or a 3-speed automatic transmission. This muscle machine had been built for speed, launching from 0 to 60 in just over 6 seconds. Its exterior design had been both clean and aggressive, with GTS-specific badging, dual hood scoops, and optional racing stripes that had emphasized its performance-driven nature. Sitting on wide performance tires with rally wheels, the Dart GTS had looked every bit as fast as it had performed. The compact size had only added to its appeal, making it a sleeper car that had caught many unsuspecting rivals off guard. Inside, the GTS had offered a blend of simplicity and function. Bucket seats, a center console, and a sporty 3-spoke steering wheel had created a driver-focused cockpit. The dash had been equipped with performance gauges, while optional features such as a tachometer and an upgraded radio had allowed buyers to add a touch of customization. Unlike larger muscle cars, the Dart GTS had kept distractions to a minimum, ensuring that the focus had remained on the driving experience. Today, the 1968 Dodge Dart GTS is a highly desirable collector's car, with well-preserved examples fetching anywhere from $4,000 to over $75,000. Rare models equipped with the big block 383 or factory performance upgrades have commanded even higher prices, proving that this compact muscle car has continued to hold its place among the greats. Join our passionate community as we celebrate the raw power and timeless appeal of this legendary Dodge. Engage with us, share your thoughts, and be part of the movement that keeps the muscle car spirit alive. This is not just about speed, it is about a car that had defied expectations and carved its name into history, proving that sometimes the fiercest fighters had come in the smallest packages.